Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Ender 3 Laser Engraver Kit is probably one of the most exciting and versatile upgrades you can add to your 3D printer, transforming it from a mere plastic melter into a precision engraving tool capable of etching intricate designs onto wood, leather, cardboard, and more, opening up a whole new world of creative possibilities for hobbyists and small businesses alike looking to personalize items or create unique crafts. Number 5. ACMER S1 Laser Engraver. Discover the ACMER S1 Laser Engraver, a powerful tool designed for precision and versatility in your creative projects. It comes with our free, optimized ACMER tool software, ready to go right out of the box. You can also use other popular engraving software if you prefer. Experience ultra-fine accuracy with its high-precision laser. It achieves an impressive engraving speed and remarkable repeatable positioning accuracy, perfect for detailed work. This versatile machine can engrave on a wide range of materials like wood, leather, and plastic. It also easily cuts through thin plywood and acrylic, making it ideal for DIY and professional use. Get started in just 1 minute with its 99% pre-assembled design. It's perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and professionals who want easy operation without a steep learning curve. Built with durable aluminum alloy, this compact engraver is lightweight and easy to carry. Its optimized working area is perfect for home use without compromising on performance. It's compatible with various operating systems and popular engraving software. You'll also benefit from reliable support, including a warranty and 24/7 customer service. What we like. This engraver comes with free, optimized software, making it incredibly easy to get started. Its high precision ensures detailed results on a variety of materials. If you are looking for a user-friendly option that requires minimal setup and offers great accuracy for crafts or small business projects, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Laser Engraver Kit is a great addition to the Ender 3, expanding its capabilities significantly. It's relatively easy to install and set up, making it accessible even for beginners. The engraving quality is impressive, producing clean and precise results on various materials. Number 4. Longer Ray 55W Laser Engraver. Discover the upgraded Longer Ray 5, a powerful 5W laser engraver designed for your creative projects. It's perfect for engraving on metal, glass, and wood. Experience unparalleled detail with its high-precision engraving capabilities. The smaller laser spot size and advanced technology ensure every mark is sharp and beautiful. Its robust performance is matched by an intelligent 3.5-inch color touchscreen. Easily control all functions directly from the device for a seamless user experience. Your safety is paramount. It features a protective cover, glasses, and intelligent shutdown mechanisms for abnormal movement or overheating, ensuring peace of mind during operation. Enjoy flexible operation with multiple connection modes including Wi-Fi and app control. Work offline with ease, anytime and anywhere you choose. Assembly is straightforward with the included guide and accessories. Plus, benefit from lifetime technical support and dedicated customer service for any assistance you may need. What we like. With a massive 15.75 x 15.75 working area and an intuitive 3.5 color touchscreen, this engraver offers unparalleled convenience and creative freedom. It also supports offline operation via Wi-Fi or TF card, allowing you to engrave anywhere. If you need a large workspace for bigger projects and appreciate the ease of use of a touchscreen and the flexibility of offline control, this machine is ideal for you. What people say. The Laser Engraver Kit is a great addition to the Ender 3, allowing for detailed engraving on various materials. It's easy to install and set up, with clear instructions provided, making it accessible for beginners. The precision of the laser ensures clean and accurate results, perfect for intricate designs and text. Number 3. Longer Ray 510W Laser Engraver. Discover the Longer Ray 510W Laser Engraver, a powerful tool designed to bring your creative visions to life. It offers exceptional precision and speed for a wide range of materials. Experience the advanced dual-beam technology that allows for incredibly fast engraving speeds. This machine effortlessly cuts through thick wood and acrylic, making it perfect for any project. With its robust 32-bit motherboard, you can expect smooth and stable operation. Transfer your designs easily via Wi-Fi, USB, app, or TF card, and enjoy the convenience of offline operation. Your safety is paramount. This engraver comes equipped with a protective cover and glasses to shield your eyes. It also features an automatic suspension program for added security. The included air pump effectively suppresses smoke and dust, ensuring cleaner cuts and preventing laser energy loss. Enjoy quieter operation and smoother results. Expand your capabilities with the Rotary Roller Kit. Effortlessly engrave tumblers, cans, cups, and bottles with 360 degrees rotation and adjustable diameters. Don't let size limit your projects. With the optional extension kit, you can expand the working area by up to 200%, offering greater versatility for larger creations. What we like. This is a super high-power laser engraver capable of cutting through thick wood and acrylic with ease, thanks to its dual beam technology. It also includes essential accessories like an air assist kit and rotary roller for versatile engraving on cylindrical objects. If you're a professional or serious hobbyist looking to tackle demanding projects, cut thicker materials, and engrave various shapes, this powerful option with included accessories is the one to consider. What people say. The Laser Engraver Kit is a great addition to the Ender 3, offering precise engraving capabilities. It's easy to install and set up, allowing you to start engraving quickly. The kit provides a powerful laser module that can engrave on various materials like wood, leather, and acrylic. Number 2. Creality Ender Plus 3D Printer Enclosure Fan Kit. Ensure you're getting the genuine article with this 100% official Creality fan extraction kit. It comes in its original packaging, guaranteeing authenticity. Experience powerful yet quiet ventilation with this essential accessory. Its pure copper brushless motor ensures smooth, silent operation, easily managed with a simple one-button switch. Breathe easier during your projects. This kit effectively removes smoke, dust, and odors generated during 3D printing or laser engraving, maintaining a fresh environment. Designed for seamless integration, it works perfectly with laser engraving machine protective covers and 3D printer insulation covers. The telescopic hose allows for flexible, space-saving ventilation. Purchase with confidence from the official Creality store. Benefit from professional after-sales support, 24/7 customer service, and comprehensive technical assistance. What we like. This is an official Creality fan extraction kit designed for seamless integration with their 3D printers and laser engraver enclosures. It provides efficient, low-noise ventilation to quickly remove smoke and dust, ensuring a cleaner working environment. If you own a Creality Ender Series printer or laser engraver enclosure and need a reliable, easy-to-install solution for smoke exhaust and air purification, this official kit is the perfect fit. What people say. The Laser Engraver Kit is a great addition to the Ender 3, allowing for detailed engraving on various materials. It's easy to install and set up, with clear instructions provided. The laser module is powerful enough for most hobbyist projects. The software compatibility is good, working well with common design and slicing software. Number 1. Hoositon 12V24V High-Power Laser Engraving Module. Introducing the Hoositon High-Power Laser Engraving Module. This powerful tool is designed to bring your 3D prints to life with precision engraving. Engineered for seamless integration, it works perfectly with popular 3D printers like the Ender Series and CR10. Get ready to expand your printing capabilities. Experience exceptional engraving with its 500 megawatts blue-violet laser. This ensures clean, detailed results on a variety of materials. Operating on both 12V and 24V systems, it offers flexibility for different setups. This makes it a convenient upgrade for your existing printer. Achieve professional-grade engravings with ease. Its advanced design allows for intricate details and sharp lines, elevating your projects. Take your 3D printing to the next level. This module empowers you to add custom designs and personalized touches to your creations. What we like. This is a high-power blue-violet laser engraving head module specifically designed for Ender Series 3D printers. It offers a powerful engraving capability for your existing 3D printer setup. If you already have an Ender 3, 3 Pro, Ender 5, or CR10 3D printer and want to add laser engraving functionality without buying a whole new machine, this powerful module is an excellent and cost-effective upgrade. What people say. The Laser Engraver Kit is a fantastic addition to the Ender 3, allowing for detailed engraving on various materials. Assembly was straightforward, and the kit integrates seamlessly with the Ender 3's existing frame and electronics. The adjustable focus mechanism ensures precise engraving, producing clean lines and sharp details. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.